Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best GATE coaching in your city Ajmer? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city Ajmer. Before moving to the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us move to the video. 1. We have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the most finest and one of the most leading coaching center in the education sector. It provides best online coaching, which is definitely a need of the hour in this pandemic situation. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. So you should definitely connect to the institute once, as it is a rank 1 institute and provides best coaching. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone is a great and best platform for preparation of NEET. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to the institute, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A counseling session will be provided to the students, and that too completely free of cost. Hence, students can ask their queries with expert mentors regarding which institute will be best fit for them according to their course. Therefore, it is a great platform and opportunity for the students who are more likely to be confused. Hence, you should definitely avail this opportunity and must once call the Hindu Zone Institute. It will definitely be helpful. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have GATE Forum Coaching in Ajmer. GATE Forum provides best GATE training to GATE aspirants through its wide network of over 50 plus centers across India. GATE Forum's GATE online courses and GATE distance learning programs are the two most sought after courses by GATE aspirants. Furthermore, GATE Forum Ajmer is fully equipped to guide you on various GATE courses. Their expert faculties have an experience of over a decade in training GATE aspirants. Moreover, the courses comprises of live classes for GATE, G Drive for your personal GATE trainer, and GATE study material along with GATE question bank. In addition to all this, Online Target Plus, which is an online test series module for complete assessment of yours. Also, they strive to provide pleasant GATE coaching experience to the students. Now let's discuss the address and the contact number of GATE Forum Ajmer. So the address is M30 Anasagar Link Road behind City Hospital Ajmer 305001. The contact number includes 0145 2624 and 9829075765. Okay, so now let's discuss some of the advantages of joining GATE Forum Ajmer. The very first is they provide high quality study material. Number 2, consistent results. Number 3, Google Drive with video lectures and more. Number 4, Pan India network. Number 5, they have a student support center. Number 6, India's best pool of GATE faculties is present in this coaching institute. And at last, revision and doubt clarification sessions are held by the institute. At rank 4, we have Engineers Academy. Engineers Academy is a well-known name for success in ESE, GATE, PSU, etc. and is more than 7 years old success partner of engineering students and diploma holders for written examinations and personality tests. Further, Engineering Academy has maintained its success rate by consistently producing GATE, ESE and JEAE toppers. In addition to this, Engineers Academy always takes up challenges, improvising techniques of learning each year to produce toppers every year. Now let's discuss some of the features of joining Engineers Academy. The very first is highly experienced and committed faculty members to achieve timely completion of syllabus. Number 2, the study material and question banks are modified regularly to suit the ever-changing syllabus and pattern of ESE, GATE, etc. Number 3, consistent, focused, systematic and well-coordinated course curriculum. Next, focus every student in the class so that average student can also get good rank in examination. Then regularly provides problem sheets and doubt classes. Then best online and offline test series support to the students, and at last tireless efforts from the management team to focus on every student. In addition to all this, they also provide you with a well-designed, fully revised and comprehensive study material, and also they have a complete guidance to choose a career in the right direction with a pan-India presence. Okay, so the address of the institute includes Shiksha Tower behind MRF Showroom, Adarsh Nagar, Ajmer 305002. Their contact number is 9799494491 and the email ID includes info@engineersacademy.org. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is the Catalyst Group. This group is created with a purpose to provide an easy access of education to all the section of students in Ajmer. The Catalyst Group provides online best GATE coaching in Ajmer. Further, this group is basically a group of expert faculties including civil servants, senior professors and authors working together to provide best online GATE coaching classes in Ajmer. In Catalyst Group, students can take lectures sitting at his or her home. He can watch lectures any number of times from anywhere, rewind, forward, etc. whatever the students wants to do. Moreover, the main faculty here is A.S. Pandit sir, who is himself an ex-IES officer with a competitive teaching experience of more than 8 years and has many successful students working in central, state government and in PSUs as officers. Now let's discuss its contact details. So the phone number of the institute includes 84292888939 and their email ID is info@thecatalystgroup.info. So friends, these were our top 6 institutes for best GATE preparations in your area, East Delhi, particularly in Lakshmi Nagar. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.